Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about internal and external adaptations. Y'all have been talking about external adaptations the last couple of days, so today will be our first time to talk about internal adaptations. So let's get started. So our title is internal and external adaptations. Okay. Now we're going to write both TEKs. Okay, so 7.11b talks about variation in a population or species by comparing external features, behaviors, or physiology of organisms that enhance their survival, such as migration, hibernation, or storage of food in a bowl. Okay, so that would be external features, behaviors, or physiology of organisms. Okay, our other TEK that we're going to talk about today is 7.12. We will investigate and explain how internal structures of organisms have adaptations to allow functions. Okay, so I'm gonna draw my line, close off my title. Okay, make sure you guys write that. So today we're gonna make a tree map. So I'm gonna start it off with adaptations at the top. Don't forget, adaptations, y'all, adaptation is a behavior or structure that allows the organism to survive an environment. Okay, so I'm gonna create my tree map. Here we go. So the first thing we're gonna talk about is external adaptations. So when you think of external, you should think of adaptation on the outside. Okay, so EX, that is going to be your clue that it's on the outside of the organism. Okay, so for example, gills on a fish. Okay, we see gills on a fish, so that would be an external adaptation. Okay, let's think about how seeds are spread. Okay, so seed dispersal. So when you guys, for example, when you go outside, or even your dogs go outside, sometimes they get stickers on their hair or their fur, or maybe you get it stuck on your shoes or your feet if you're barefooted. Believe it or not, that is an adaptation by some plants to spread their seeds. So some of you guys might know them as sticker burrs or stickers on a plant. Those are actually seeds. Okay, those are seeds. That's how some plants spread their seeds. They can get stuck on an animal or a human. Let's think about fur and skin or feathers. That is an adaptation because it protects us from the outside elements, the outside environment. It keeps us warm and it helps regulate our body temperature and maintain homeostasis. Camouflage. So a lot of us know that camouflage is used with some organisms, especially reptiles. In fish, organisms will hide from predators by blending in with their environment. Oops, I misspelled that. predators. Okay, so camouflage is to hide from predators. Now, let's talk about plants again. Okay, plants. So, we know that plants can have strong scents. Okay, strong scents, even bright colors. Okay, the reason why they have this is to attract pollinators. Okay, like such as honeybees, bees, butterflies, they are pollinators. Okay, and then our last one on here would be different mouth sizes or even shapes, teeth. Okay, that would be because every animal, insect would have they differ in food of feeding, differ in feeding methods. Okay, so before I run out of time, let's talk about internal adaptations. Okay, the IN, that means in. So you should think of on the outside. So let's talk about gills on a fish again. Gills in fish, the reason why they have gills is to exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide. It's their lungs, but it's going to be in the water. If they did not have gills, they would not survive in water. Okay, so how do birds fly? They have hollow bones. Birds have hollow bones for flight. So they can fly. Okay, they have to have light, hollow bones for flight. Xylem in plants. This is how they transport nutrients in water. Okay, we learn that plants transport water from their roots. Okay, in plants, because xylem is found in plants only. Animals do not have them. Now let's quickly talk about behavior. Okay, behavior would be in the inside because it does relate to your nervous system. So behavior could be innate. That means learned. Innate behaviors are genetically programmed into the animal. They are not learned. So innate is an instinct. Okay? Instinct. Okay, so also it could be a learned behavior. Okay, so examples are migration. Okay. Swimming. A whale, as soon as a dolphin or a whale is born, they automatically know how to swim. That's because that's an instinct. It is in their genetics. Lions hunting. So when a lion is hunting, they actually learned it from their parents. Okay? Birds building a nest. That is an instinct. A spider spinning its web. That is an instinct too. We learn a lot of behaviors from our parents and our peers. So we do have a lot of learned behaviors. But we do have a lot of instincts too. So please feel free to go back, fill in your thinking map, okay? Add one more here about what is another behavior, okay? Well, have a good day. Be good.